Howdy, folks, and welcome back. Hope you're all blessed and doing okay out there. Well, for today's video, I present to you K-Line Electric Train's 2001 catalog. This is going to be a three-part because they made 3 catalogs for the year of 2001. Anyway, let's take a look and see what this one has to offer. Table of contents of what you're going to see in here. Yeah. Just to make sure it's in frame. There we go. The gold line. And the glare. The glare is the most annoying thing I get when I film these catalogs. So first up, we have an Amtrak F59 PHI with some Surfliner cars. This is the Amtrak California paint scheme right here. I saw a video of this in operation on YouTube, and, well, let's just say the sound package does not sound like an F59 PHI. It has the 567 prime mover sound and a Wabco horn, or a Leslie A200, whichever you prefer, instead of a 710 G3A with the K5LA horn. Still, it looks great. Here we have one from a North Carolina rail, and to my knowledge, K-Line was the first to make an F59 PHI and HO gauge. MTH would be second. Well, here we have some F units with matching cabooses. We have the Santa Fe, we have the Erie, and it's an FT, I'm sorry. The Lackawanna. There we go. Couldn't tell what that one was. Very nice. The GS6 from the Western Pacific Railroad with some freight cars. You can make a set of that. K-Line made some great steam engines, I think. They brought back the F40PH. This one's from CSX and from Metra. For those of you who may know, CSX does have 2 F40PHs, and I think at the moment they're painted in the Baltimore and Ohio paint scheme, and it looks great actually. Who made the F40PH first in O gauge, guys? I'm not sure. It's either MTH or K-Line. If you know, tell me in the comments. We then have the GG1 from the Pennsylvania Railroad with some passenger cars. This is one of those engines that just about everybody has made in any gauge. It's amazing. There's even been some fantasy paint schemes done of this thing. Scale Bud RDC cars, it looks like, and MU cars. I forgot about these. I thought that Williams and Lionel were the only ones to make the RDC car, along with MTH, but K-Line did it too. Another company that made them in scale and O gauge was Third Rail. PRRE8 and an Alco RS1. And these are both Pennsylvania Railroad locomotives with passenger cars. It's got the Pennsylvania style antenna on it. Very nice. Okay, we have C&W's. Chicago Northwestern locomotives. We have an E8 set, a GP38-2, and some gallery cars. Very nice. Yeah, this stuff is actually pretty cool. Southern Pacific E9. There's a water tender, it looks like, or a Vanderbilt tender, and matching passenger cars. Just beautiful. Lehigh Valley PA1, AA locomotives, and passenger cars to go with it. These sets may have featured the same engine, and I'm not sure if they had any running specific detail, but all in all, they look great. I would not mind having some of these trains in my collection too. Here is the Santa Fe PA1 pulling some El Capitan passenger cars. And this is where Amtrak got some of their first passenger cars too in 1971. Well, later on, the double-decker cars, I should say. F units. Central of New Jersey. Looks like some more passenger cars and freight cars. And a PB unit. This catalog's kind of random. New York Central F3 locomotives and passenger cars. That makes a nice little set, actually. Northern Pacific. Probably the Gold Coast Limited set there. Beautiful. UP Pacific, steam engine and tender, and passenger cars, along with a boxcar and a caboose. I'd actually make that into one whole set. I mean, why not? It would look pretty cool. Circus Transport RS3 locomotive, along with the matching cars to make a nice little circus train. Very nice. Now this thing's way out of frame. Sorry guys. There we go. Eastern Power for your rails. Reading lines. And a variety of others it looks like to choose from. Any East Coast rail fans watching? This page is for you. Cabooses. A variety to choose from, including the porthole caboose. Pretty cool. Hopper cars. Covered hoppers to be exact. Quite a few to choose from. Tanker cars, including the tanker train cars. Those are pretty cool. Operating cars. We have a log car, a dumb car, and different types of tanker cars, including single, double, and triple dumb. Very nice. And I think this was the time that K-Line came out with their own remote control system. MTH had DCS, Lionel had TMCC, K-Line had KMCC. KMCC, I should say. Okay, there's Gold Line freight cars there. The two-axle cars again, and the two truck cars and the single trucks again. Oh, that one's got a module, it looks like, for a rocket ship. Very nice. Hopper cars and gondolas. And loads you can remove and put in there, it looks like. Very nice. Oh, there's that glare. Gotta move this thing just to... Okay, there we go. Okay, we got log cars and coil cars here. Gotta have those on your railway. MML transport and trailers. Or trailer trains and reefers. There you go. Gotta mention everything that's on both pages because I know a lot of you like to see this stuff. Gold Line freight cars. Again, we have box cars, we have an ore car, and a variety of other freight cars to choose from. You may notice too the style of the K-Line catalog had changed, but still pretty neat. The 50 State Quarter Series. Now we get a bunch of these, put them around on the train and say, these are donation cars, drop a coin in. The classics. Classic engines, F units from the B&O, the Western Pacific, and the Great Northern. And you can get a caboose to go with them. That's pretty neat. Couple of yard switchers here, steam engines, and some Alcos. Very nice. These are the more affordable, budget-friendly trains. Trolleys, speeders, and some more freight cars. I don't know who else put cannons on flat cars, but I thought that was pretty cool what they did. Oh, there's even a helicopter. Very nice. Okay, we got some more freight cars. We got your box cars and a gondola. And some Christmas themed stuff. Very nice. Coca-Cola. They always like the Coca-Cola trains. Yeah. There's some more products. They got the polar bears back, I see. I still don't get why they chose polar bears to be a part of Coca-Cola. I know Santa Claus and Coca-Cola go together hand in hand. Anheuser-Busch, the beer company, makes some more trains. Once again. Well, K-Line made them for them, you know. Train 19, the $19 rolling stock. Not too bad. Oh, there's that glare again. Go away, glare. Let the people see this cool stuff. Go away. Train 19 rolling stock. Just a wide variety to choose from here. Got some figurines and some towers to go on your layout. Sorry guys, I'm kind of tired of making this video. While making this video. Your Snooper Snap Track. The usual stuff you could have gotten, as you guys know. Variety of curves and radius to choose from there. Some 10-plate track. Yeah, Menards is like the last one who does this now. Bogies, Transformers, shirts, bags, and coffee mugs. You could really accessorize with these companies what they offer. A Pennsylvania GG1, just $100. Huh. The cheapest GG1 I have seen was the one that Verossi made in that blue paint scheme for $40 at a train show. You really can't find these that cheap anymore, on any gauge it seems. Still, it looks great, especially with the passenger cars behind it. Collectors Club, along with publications. The usual listings on the back. And there you have it, the K-Line 2001 Volume 1 catalog. Stay tuned for tomorrow when we look at the second one. Till next time, please be safe around trains. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And God bless all of you. See you guys next time.